Hello everyone, or, me, because I'm usually the only person who's watching these recordings, right now at least. Anywho, let's go ahead and get things started. I have stuff I'm going to work on. What am I going to work on? I don't even remember. I just remember that I felt like it was important. I think it's going to be the sword mechanics tonight. Since I don't remember, I'm just going to go ahead and play. Oh, I'm munching on so many things down here tonight. Oh yeah. Okay, so recently, so the scenes actually activate. Now, I failed to record last night, and there was a technical issue, but what is now working is you can die. Oh dear. What's all come back if you die? Am I not saving those as you collect them? Seems like I'm not. Or at least, I'm not. They don't seem to be saving that I got them. Okay, so if I jump back in, cool, I can't jump back in. That's a problem I should fix. Well, a couple things are worth fixing. I think first we're gonna go ahead and get that sword working. I know that sword isn't working and I want it working. Now that things can damage me, I want to be able to damage them again. Let's see. I think I'm missing something. Let's see. Well, it's not quite right though. No, let's start with them. This isn't going to fully do it because I'm just going to increment the attack number so we go between the upward slash and the downward slash. But really there should be a timer that times out after you've not attacked for X amount of time and then resets the attack number. But we'll worry about that later. For now we're just going to see if we can get the slash to actually go. Now, the slash attack controller we're not going to parent it anymore. We're done with that. Instead, I'm going to switch on the slash type. And we're going to use that to determine the local position that's going to lead the attack from. will be ups, those will be downs. Those will be lefts, and those will be rights. Instead of doing all this logic inside of the configure, which would become long and gross, let's go ahead and I'll just switch all these to position. You know, I think it's going to be even simpler to just do this. Refactor. I mean, we should never get to there, but you know. Ooh. All we need to know is the slash type. And that will give us the local position we need. We'll go transform.local position. Oh, not scale. Equals calculate position slash type. Boom. Okay. Actually, this might be an extension at this point. Slash type dot get enum description. Now, if I remember right, all I have to do is let's get to this. I don't remember. Description attribute. Wait. Do you have a way to get This requires a Google search. C# Edom. This string. Oh, I'm pretty sure that's how I did it. Enum.getName. We know that's not going to work. That's going to give us a number. Now, and that means we don't have to go through this whole description approach, which is great. That's going to be handy. We'll leave it like that. Okay. No, I think the animations turn those on and off, so we don't need to activate the damagers themselves. I think that's how we decided to handle that. Okay. Okay, I think that's pretty good. It's pretty promising. But it also means we no longer need the parent. So let's kill that. That's gonna make the sword attack controller grumpy. It's like, hey, I was giving you the thing. What do you mean you don't need the thing? Compiling, compiling, compiling. Okay, slash attack. Let's open up slash attack. Now, slash attack has a very unfinished animation and animator system put together. It looks like at some point I started putting together the actual positions with the boxes that actually animate this attack. But it's like I didn't finish it. Because clearly this one is animating, but this one's not. Actually, is it? Okay, that's I think that all need to change there. Okay, so this means that we have one animation complete. Not all of the animations. Oh yeah. I'm gonna have to think about this some. Because there's a way to edit these. I know there's a way to edit these. So yeah, there we go. I wanted a way to export the ASE project. If I remember right, when I tried using this, it failed. Well, maybe it has an update. Let's check the asset store. I mean, for some reason I just don't think it will. I've been wrong on things before. Oh, you know what? There's a better way to do this now. Instead of using the asset store itself, you can just go to the package manager. Oh, there we are. A sprite toolbox. Good. There is an update. July 2nd, 2020. That's recent. Well, let's update it and how it works. Hopefully that's not a problem. I don't want the demo. No demo, please. Okay, well, I think that made it worse. No, the rule is just trying to update it doesn't work, then you just need to try importing it after you delete it. And then making sure you don't take the demo. No demo! I think it's funny you can't unclick the... Oh. I'm frozen up. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, I'm definitely frozen up. Oh, well, okay. Maybe it's letting me do stuff now. There we go. Okay. No tutorial. But the rest of it's fine. Go ahead. Well, let's see how badly it errs. Do. Loading, please wait. Loading. Oh. Best time to use snack? While you're loading. Okay. Has it finished? Yes. Now, if I do create animations, what happens now? Because it was not working before. And tell it to create images, it's like, nah. Tell it to create sprites, it's like, nah. So it has. Let's fix that warning. So it has. Export to original path. Sure. Hey, it actually worked. It created the image. Now it should be able to create sprites. Good. Now, can you create the animations, please? Ooh, that's a biggie one. Oh, beautiful. Except I hate the names. Well, that's easy enough. Kill it all and try again. Right? This time we'll actually modify the settings the way we want it. Okay. So, animations, we don't want this. We just want the tag name. Tag name only, please. Now let's create some animations. Perfect. Because that will match up perfectly with our little thing I wrote. It takes this enum and just breaks it up based off the name. Good, good, good. Okay, so I guess what I do next is I go into these animations and I update them. With the collider info. I have mixed feelings about this because I want to be able to use the automated tool to generate all this stuff, because that's great. If I go and I edit these files, then later I edit the actual animation to something different, and I regenerate it, I'm going to have a problem, because we're going to end up generating over all the work I did, and we don't want that. So maybe we just need more than one animator to handle all this? This is... that's what we'll do. We'll have colliders, and we'll have an animator for the colliders. We'll have a duplicate of all these animations for just the colliders, and just do the collider stuff with those ones. And that way, if I need to modify the textures later, I can and still have a good pipeline. Not C-sharp slip. I need to create a folder. Create a folder. Sword Tech Colliders. Boom. For now, we're just gonna copy and paste this stuff, because that's a lazy way of doing it. You know what? Just duplicate. And the duplicated ones are going to go into our sort of tag folder. Perfect. Okay. No. It looks like I've been at this for almost 40 minutes now, which is an up from the other couple days. I'm gonna call it though. It was a good run. Submit our work real quick. That's good. Stop streaming. Catch you guys later.